Our world is filled with incredible creatures, each more fascinating than the last. But some of these creatures are not just fascinating, they are downright terrifying. Today, we journey into the heart of the unknown to confront a creature that embodies both the beauty and the brutality of the natural world. Prepare yourself, for we are about to meet the Asian Giant Hornet, a creature that has captivated the attention of scientists and terrified communities across the globe. Join me, if you dare, as we delve into the world of the Asian Giant Hornet, exploring its biology, its behavior, and the very real threat it poses to our world. For centuries, the Asian Giant Hornet has reigned supreme in the forests of East Asia, a fearsome predator feared by all who crossed its path. But in recent years, this apex insect has expanded its territory, crossing oceans and continents to establish a foothold in new lands. Imagine a hornet the size of your thumb, with a wingspan that could rival a hummingbird. Its exoskeleton, a suit of armor, shimmers with hues of orange, black, and yellow, a stark warning to any creature foolish enough to challenge its dominance. Its mandibles, powerful and sharp, can crush the exoskeletons of its prey with ease. The Asian Giant Hornet is a force of nature, a testament to the power and the peril that exist within the natural world. The arrival of the Asian Giant Hornet in North America has sent shockwaves through the scientific community and sparked widespread fear among the public. News reports blare headlines of murder hornets and giant killers, fueling a sense of panic and uncertainty. The Asian Giant Hornet poses a significant risk to our environment, our economy, and our way of life. Its impact on honeybee populations, in particular, has been devastating. The consequences of this ecological disruption are far-reaching, impacting not only our food supply but also the delicate balance of our ecosystems. The Asian Giant Hornet, Vespa mandarinia, is a creature that truly lives up to its name. It is a giant among insects, dwarfing its counterparts with its sheer size and power. Imagine a creature that can grow up to 2 inches long, with a wingspan that can exceed 3 inches. Its body, a formidable suit of armor, is adorned with striking colors: a vibrant orange head, a black and yellow striped abdomen, and legs that end in sharp hooked claws. Its large body allows it to fly long distances, covering up to 50 miles in a single day, and its powerful wings generate a distinctive hum that can be heard from yards away. The Asian Giant Hornet is not just a large and imposing insect, it is a highly evolved killing machine, equipped with a formidable arsenal of weapons designed to subdue its prey and defend its territory. Its most fearsome weapon, of course, is its stinger, a quarter-inch-long hypodermic needle capable of delivering a potent venom that can dissolve human tissue. Unlike honeybees, which can only sting once, the Asian Giant Hornet can sting multiple times, injecting a large dose of venom with each thrust. This venom contains a cocktail of toxins, including cytolytic peptides and neurotoxins, that attack the cells and nervous system of its victims, causing excruciating pain, inflammation, and tissue necrosis. It also possesses a pair of powerful mandibles, sharp, serrated jaws that can crush the exoskeletons of its prey with ease. The Asian Giant Hornet is not native to North America. It is an invasive species believed to have arrived on cargo ships from its native range in East Asia sometime in the late 2010s. Since its arrival, it has spread rapidly, establishing populations in several states and provinces and raising concerns about its potential impact on native ecosystems. One of the most alarming aspects of the Asian Giant Hornet's invasion is its stealth and efficiency. The Asian Giant Hornet's arrival in North America has brought with it a silent slaughter, a massacre of unimaginable proportions. The victims? The gentle, industrious honeybees, creatures vital to our ecosystem and our agricultural industry. Honeybees, with their intricate social structures and their tireless work ethic, stand little chance against the hornet's brutal efficiency. These hornets are not merely predators, they are conquerors, engaging in a calculated campaign of destruction that leaves entire hives in ruins. The air fills with the scent of honey and the hum of dying bees, a scene of carnage that speaks volumes about the brutal nature of the natural world. The Asian Giant Hornet's impact extends far beyond the immediate devastation of honeybee hives. Their presence has the potential to disrupt the delicate balance of entire ecosystems, setting off a chain reaction that could have unforeseen consequences for years to come. Honeybees, as we know, are essential pollinators. They play a vital role in the reproduction of countless plant species, from wildflowers to fruit trees to agricultural crops. The loss of honeybees could lead to a decline in plant diversity, which in turn could impact herbivore populations, and so on up the food chain. This is not a world of science fiction. It is a very real possibility if we fail to address the threat posed by the Asian giant hornet. The ecological impact of the Asian giant hornet extends far beyond the realm of honeybees and pollination. These voracious predators have a wide-ranging diet, targeting a variety of insects, many of which play beneficial roles in their respective ecosystems. Praying mantises, ladybugs, lacewings, these are just a few examples of the insects that fall prey to the Asian giant hornet. Their decline could lead to an increase in pest populations, which could have negative impacts on agriculture and human health. The Asian giant hornet, in its quest for sustenance, disrupts the intricate web of life, setting off a domino effect that can have cascading consequences for the entire ecosystem. The thought of a world without bees is a chilling one, a dystopian vision of a future where our planet's ecosystems have been irrevocably altered. The Asian giant hornet, in its relentless pursuit of honeybees, threatens to bring us closer to this grim reality. Their impact on honeybee populations is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the fragility of our planet's delicate balance. The decline of honeybees would have a devastating impact on global food security. Without these essential pollinators, our agricultural yields would plummet, leading to food shortages and economic instability. We must act now to protect our pollinators, to combat the spread of invasive species like the Asian giant hornet. The Asian giant hornet's venom is not merely painful, it is a complex cocktail of toxins, each component designed to inflict maximum damage on its victim. This venom, a product of millions of years of evolution, is a testament to the brutal efficiency of the natural world. One of the primary components of this venom is a group of enzymes known as cytolytic peptides. These enzymes, upon injection, target and destroy cell membranes, causing widespread tissue damage and excruciating pain. But the venom's destructive power doesn't end there. It also contains neurotoxins, potent chemicals that attack the nervous system, disrupting the transmission of signals between the brain and the body. The Asian giant hornet is not a creature to be trifled with. Its size and venom are intimidating enough, but it is their aggression, their unwavering commitment to defending their nest and their territory, that truly sets them apart as a force to be reckoned with. These hornets are fiercely territorial, exhibiting a level of aggression that borders on the fanatical. Any perceived threat to their nest, whether it be a curious animal, a passing human, or a rival hornet colony, is met with swift and brutal retribution. Their stings, delivered with precision and force, inject a potent venom that sends waves of pain radiating through your body. The threat posed by Asian giant hornets is not a matter of speculation. It is a terrifying reality that has played out in countless encounters between these insects and humans. From chance encounters in the wild to full-blown attacks on homes and villages, the stories of these encounters serve as chilling reminders of the dangers these creatures pose. In 2013, a swarm of Asian giant hornets attacked a group of school children in southern China, leaving dozens injured and several dead. In another incident, a farmer in Japan was stung to death by a swarm of Asian giant hornets while tending to his crops. These stories, tragic and disturbing as they are, highlight the very real danger posed by these insects. The Asian giant hornet, with its formidable size, potent venom, and aggressive nature, is a creature that commands respect. It is not a creature to be feared, but rather, a creature to be understood and coexisted with, acknowledging its vital role in the ecosystem while taking precautions to avoid potentially dangerous encounters. Education is key to coexisting with these creatures. We must learn to recognize their nests, understand their behavior, and take steps to minimize the risk of provoking an attack. If you do encounter an Asian giant hornet, it is essential to remain calm and avoid making sudden movements. It is up to us to learn to coexist with these creatures, respecting their place in the web of life and taking steps to ensure our own safety. Section 1. A plague of resilience. What makes the Asian giant hornet formidable is its remarkable adaptability. This insect thrives in various climates and environments, a testament to natural selection. It navigates forests and urban landscapes with ease. The Asian giant hornet's resilience knows few bounds. This adaptability makes it a formidable invasive species, capable of wreaking havoc on native flora and fauna. Section 2. Outcompeting the locals, an unfair advantage. The Asian giant hornet's arrival in new territories often spells disaster for the local insect populations. These hornets, with their size, strength, and aggression, have an unfair advantage over their native counterparts, often outcompeting them for resources and decimating their populations. Imagine a peaceful meadow, buzzing with the activity of native bees, wasps, and other insects, each species playing its part in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Now, picture the arrival of the Asian giant hornet, a predator from a distant land, its arrival disrupting the established order. The native insects, accustomed to a certain rhythm of life, are ill-equipped to deal with this new threat. They are outmatched in size, outgunned in terms of venom potency, and overwhelmed by the hornet's relentless aggression. The consequences of this ecological imbalance can be devastating. The decline of native insect populations can disrupt pollination cycles, impact food chains, and increase the prevalence of pests, leading to a cascade of negative effects that ripple through the entire ecosystem. The Asian giant hornet's adaptability and rapid dispersal make it a global threat, with potential for widespread destruction. Imagine a world map, crisscrossed by shipping routes and air travel, each a pathway for the hornet's spread. From North American forests to European cities, the hornet endangers ecosystems and agriculture. Their impact on honeybees and adaptability make them a formidable foe. Combating invasive species requires global cooperation, research, and public awareness. While the Asian giant hornet's venom spells danger and even death for unsuspecting victims, it holds within its complex chemistry a glimmer of hope for medical advancements. This potent cocktail of toxins has caught the eye of researchers. Deep within the venom lies a peptide known as mastaperin, capable of disrupting cell membranes. Scientists believe it could target and destroy cancerous cells. Imagine harnessing this venom to heal. The potential medical benefits offered by the Asian giant hornet's venom present a moral and ethical dilemma. Can we exploit a creature that poses such a significant threat to human safety and ecological balance? Is the pursuit of scientific knowledge worth the risks associated with these deadly insects? The ethical debate centers around the balance between potential benefits and inherent risks. The Asian giant hornet, a creature of awe-inspiring power and terrifying potential, stands as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that holds our world together. Their arrival in North America, a biological invasion of unprecedented scale, demands our immediate attention and unwavering action. This is not a problem that can be ignored, swept under the rug, or left for future generations to solve. The stakes are too high, the potential consequences too dire. We are engaged in a race against time, a battle to protect our ecosystems, our agriculture, and our very way of life. The time for complacency is over. The time for action is now. We must educate ourselves about this invasive species, understand its biology and behavior, and support research efforts aimed at controlling its spread and mitigating its impact. We must become citizen scientists, vigilant observers of our surroundings, reporting any sightings to the authorities, and working together to track the movement of these insects. Our collective knowledge, our shared vigilance, is our greatest weapon in this fight for survival. The battle against the Asian giant hornet is a human endeavor. It requires a collective effort to protect the delicate web of life. Support our beekeepers with resources and knowledge. Educate communities about the threat and empower action. Knowledge is power. It can save our ecosystem. Remember the lessons from the Asian giant hornet. We are part of nature, not above it. Ensure future generations hear the symphony of bees. If you love animal facts, please like and comment our videos.